This is Matt, and this is a video on how to download Apple Music. Now, I'm going to show you a few different ways to download Apple Music right here in this video. I don't know what platform you're on. I don't know whether you're on desktop, whether you're on your phone, your cell phone, your mobile phone, tablet, or wherever you are. I really don't know. So I'm going to give you a few different options, and one of these will work for you. So I'm going to give you some links. So first link is this rather unwieldy link right here. I'll put all of these URLs as links in the video description, so you can just click on them and wind up here, and you don't need to go searching or anything. So this is the Apple App Store, and this is the iPhone version. You can get it, of course, on the iPad and the Mac, etc., etc. So that is the Apple App Store for Apple products. This is the Microsoft Store, so this is the link right here. Again, that will be in the video description, so you can find Apple Music right here on the Microsoft Store. So that's an option for you. And then last but not least, we have the Google Play Store. Here is the link. That link, of course, will be in the video description as well, just below this video, and you can click install here. Now, depending on your device, this will cover you, whether you're on your cell phone, your mobile phone, whether you're on tablet, whether you're on desktop like I am right here. So that was Google Play Store, that was Microsoft Store, and the Apple App Store. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Apple Music useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.